Visiting the doctor, an annual checkup.
Doctor, good morning, Sophia. How are you today?
Patient: I am fine, thank you. I am here for my annual checkup.
Doctor, do you have any health concerns?
Patient: Yes, I am gaining weight.
Doctor, how much do you weigh?
Patient: I am not sure.
Doctor, please stand on the weigh scale.
Patient: Okay, I weigh 75 kilograms.
Doctor, do you exercise?
Patient: Yes, I walk 3 times a week.
Doctor, good. I will check your blood pressure now.
Patient: Is my blood pressure okay?
Doctor, yes, it is good. Now I will listen to your heart and lungs with my stethoscope.
Patient: Okay.
Doctor, your heart and lungs sound good. Do you have any allergies?
Patient: No, I don't have any allergies.
Doctor, what is your medical history?
Patient: No, I don't have any serious health problems.
Doctor, I would like you to have a blood test. We will check your cholesterol.
Patient: Okay, when can I have the blood test?
Doctor, you can have it next week.
Patient: Thank you, doctor.
Doctor, you're welcome. Keep exercising and try to eat healthy food.
Patient: I will, thank you.